Consumers need to brace themselves for big increases in health insurance from this month. The three big players, VHI, Leia Healthcare and Irish Life Health, are all increasing their premiums again this month, and that's after increases earlier in the year. So when you combine the two increases from each of those health insurers, you could be looking at increases that are as much as 25% or more, even 27%. Which means that some families will end up paying an additional €600 in premiums if they stay on the same plans. So people need to be aware of this, because from this month on, something like 1.25 million consumers will be renewing their healthcare. This is the busy time, October, November through Christmas, when people renew their plans. So the smart thing to do is just don't accept the increase. What you got to do is call up your insurer, tell them what your budget is, how much you can afford to spend, and that you want similar cover to the one that you have. Tell them what's important in terms of the benefits, and get them to outline alternatives that they have, explain it on the phone, and get them to write it down and post it to you as well. And before you make any changes, have them confirm that that's the best plan for you, because there are loads of plans out there, something like 350 different plans. Even though some plans are being retired, there's still a huge levels of different plans. And ask them to include any corporate plans. These are plans that are available to everyone, but they tend to be just quietly there in the background, and they're marketed towards companies that pay for the health insurance of their employees. So the bad news is that we've had a second round of increases. They take effect from the 1st of October. So people need to be wary that they don't end up spending too much money on their health insurance.